Hello!
Hi! I'm Courtney.
And I'm Jasmine.
That was really awkward.
That was,
okay.
You're right.
But keeping on going on the rain train.
He's on down. The rain train.
Well, it's never good if it rains on a train, because that's just crusty.
As long as it's not raining in the train. I mean, if it rains while you're on the train, that's pretty cool. But as long as it's not raining by the time you get ready to go.
But if rain's on the train, then it will be rain on the train.
If rain's on the train.
Rain
like
on the
rain
train.
on the train.
Like,
rain on the train.
The title of the song is called Dirty Sexy. So yeah, let's go.
Dirty, sexy, dirty, dirty, sexy, dirty, dirty.
Oh my god!
He still has that kiss on his face.
Backup dancer.
Exactly.
Hey. Hey.
See, just little stuff like that.
Get it, girl.
Get that leg.
I'm about to have a nosebleed.
I feel like I'm about to pass out.
That girl was killing me. She was in it.
I just looked over at you and you're like, you're about to drool.
I can't. I really am. Damn!
My face hurts from cringing so hard.
Me too. You just be rocking with it.
Exactly. I need a jaw. I can't either.
Chill out.
Scoop it up. Get that shit. Get it.
That's that inline skating right there.
Oh my god.
Get that shit.
Exactly.
What? Like,
wait, why did it just
really?
like that? That's a rain effect.
That's what just happened to me. That's what just happened to me. Because clearly I was
Literally,
gone.
my mouth hurts so
My
bad.
jaw is killing me. My mouth never closed. I probably ate like 6 spiders. Now, Courtney, what grown man you know can do that? And he was about wearing some 2-inch heels. And those heels were like, they were pretty out there for a man.
Yeah.
Like, they were about this. And he had on a leopard print and teal shawl, shrug, basically. A freaking shrug. What man do you know that can do all those things besides MJ? And still,
You know what's weird? Like when I first saw that Rain came out with 2 MVs, I was like, 2? But that's just because, you know, we had to catch up.
yeah.
But can we get a third one, please? Because, woo!
Oh my gosh. He
That-
has to do more. Like, this is like his. I mean, he'd been gone for a minute.
But now he's back with the jump off. I know
This
some.
is like his JT. This is like his.
Yeah. His comeback back.
Yeah.
But I know some netizens aren't. Woo! Some people tore him up, but that's neither here nor there.
Even more so like JT. Like, they both went away, did movies, and were gone for a minute. Kept doing movies, and you're like, come back, come back.
Exactly.
And they finally bust out with that grown and sexy, like.
He came back from the military, like.
I got swag.
Just the way it started out. Like, you know how you don't really know.
Yeah.
And then I feel like he literally just starts out grooving. Groove me, baby, tonight. Fucking Rain. I'm done. I'm over it. Kristen, I'm done. Like, it just works out that his name is Rain. Because he makes the whores wet.
Down on me. I just know what you said. That's so disgusting.
So, on that note, like us on Facebook and like our fan page.
Follow us on Twitter and check us out on our Instagrams.
And we'll see you later.
Bye.